Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ad subscriptions using Chargebee and no-code builders, full guide step by step clearly. To verify ad subscriptions using Chargebee and no-code builders, begin by logging into your Chargebee account. Navigate to the Subscriptions tab on the left sidebar. Select the subscription you want to verify. Click on the Details tab to view the subscription information. Check the current status to ensure it is active. Take note of the add-ons associated with this subscription. Next, open your no-code builder platform. Create a new project or open an existing one. Access the plugin or integration settings. Look for the Chargebee integration. Authenticate your Chargebee account if prompted. Once connected, locate the data mapping section. Map the fields in your no-code builder to the relevant fields in Chargebee. Set up a trigger for when a subscription is verified. This trigger will be used to indicate a successful verification. Create a new workflow in your no-code builder. Add an action to fetch subscription details from Chargebee. Select the appropriate subscription you've noted earlier. Add conditions to check if the subscription status is active. If the status is active, proceed to the next steps. Include actions to confirm the add-ons are present. You may display a success message or update a database. If the status is not active, set up an alternative action. This could be sending an alert or logging the issue. Once the workflow is complete, save your project. Test the workflow to ensure it's functioning as expected. Check if the ad subscription verification returns the correct results. Make any necessary adjustments based on your findings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.